Hi folks, I'm Gökberk Vintage. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how to change a column's data type directly using M-Code in Power BI without filling your queries with unnecessary change type steps. With this particular method, your queries will stay clean. If you are looking for quick and actionable Power BI tips, you are in the right place. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell to stay updated on the new content. If you are ready, let's jump right into my screen. Yes, right now we have a product table on our screen, and there are four columns in it: product, sales, date, and our sales conditions. What we are actually going to pay attention to here is this. One of our columns has a data type called AnyType, which means it contains both text and numerical values. In fact, we always move forward by assigning a proper data type to all columns. And the correct approach here is to select text and proceed as text, since the data is texture. But there is something important to note here. We currently adding a new step. Can we solve this without adding a new step? In other words, is there a shorter way? Yes, there is. Here's how we can do it. I remove the step. In other words, I go back to the previous step. When I return, I see there is an M code written in this step. I go to the end of this M code and add type text there. Once I write type text, it automatically converts the column to text without adding a new step. For example, let's say we created a new column and we want to convert it to a numerical value. If it is an integer without decimals, we need to write int 64 dot type. If it is decimal number, writing type number is enough. For a date column, you can use type date. And we already did the example for type text since we needed to convert it to text. There are various other examples as well, and it can be hard to remember all the types. For example, let's say I want to add a new column that returns only true or false. In Power BI, the value 1 is treated as true. I clicked OK. Now, I've done it in the same way, but I don't know what type I should write here. However, this needs to return either true or false. How can I find the right type? I click on the true false column. In the new step that appears, I can see that the data type is type logical. I copy this, delete the step, go back to the previous one, and write type logical there. Then I commit it, and now I have a column with a data type that returns true and false. That's how easy it is to define data types in line with M-Code in Power BI. Share your questions, the different data types you use, or any issues you have faced in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going together. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. You also find links to my other social media accounts in the description. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.